feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into it. Now let's talk about this little, I want to say like gym anxiety or like gym shyness or whatever. Now if you know me, you know me, right? You know that I'm shy. I'm a little shy, and I don't care how old I am, how old I get, I still have a little bit of it. You feel me? Depending on what's going on, right? So I've been going to the gym for a while, I've been going to the gym off and on. Like I've been going and then I stop. I'll go and then I stop because I really don't like it. And when I go to the gym, I always feel like people are watching me, and I don't like it. You know, so I feel like people are watching me at the gym. Still to this day, I feel like people are watching me, and I don't like it. Like I feel like it, like they probably not watching me, but I feel like whatever I'm doing, however I'm walking, whatever, people are staring at me, and I'm just like, and it makes me not want to go. Like, and I see these people and we're in here, and then depending on the gym, how the gym is structured, like we're too damn close. You feel me? Like, why are we this close, and why are you staring at me? And comment down below if you know what I'm talking about, when you feel like people are watching you and it's like, what do you want, right? But people are probably really not even watching. This video is kind of like a video where I help give you some tips on how to like kind of get over it. Not really, because you don't never really get over it. Like, let's be real, we don't never really get over it. It's kind of more like learning how to not let it consume you type of situation, and not letting it stop with what you got going on. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. Tip number 1. Okay, so this is tip number 1. Go with a friend. Go with a friend, go with a girlfriend, go with a boyfriend, go with a family member. Get a partner. Okay, so it's kind of easier when you have a partner that don't get a partner, because I didn't have a partner that didn't really want to work out. So I had a partner, okay, that really didn't want to work out. And this partner, when I tell you, they used to just like walk around from machine to machine, not really getting on there. Them not the type of partners you want to go. You want to go with somebody that is ready to work out, already have their own goals, probably already working out. And so then you could kind of work out with them, and then y'all could kind of like do a set together, do a set here, kind of do a set here. Okay, it's my turn. Kind of chat, kind of laugh, kind of giggle, or whatever it is that you could vibe with. Okay, that's tip number 1. Tip number 1, get a gym partner. Okay, now tip number 2. Tip should have been number 1. Pay attention to the time that you go to the gym. Okay, so this is key. Don't go to the gym. Now, if you are shy, you have social anxiety, you have anxiety and all of that, blah, blah, blah. Don't go to the gym during the peak hours, okay? Don't do that, okay? I have done that before, and I didn't stay very long, okay? So, normally, I like to go, if I'm going by myself, I either go early in the morning, like 5, 6, early in the morning. If not, I go around 9, 10. Now, if I'm with a partner, I could go anytime. Like, I have a partner and we go at peak hours, which is fine. I'm going to the gym by yourself and you you're shy, you have social anxiety, you have anxiety, period. Do not go when it's peak hours. Now, mind you, we're talking, this is February. Everybody and their mama, okay? Everybody and their mama is trying to get their body right. And it's just like, okay. So therefore, don't do it. Now, this is tip number 3 that sometimes I'm using. Okay, so it's either, tip number 3 is either wear a hat or wear a hoodie. Of course, you're going to have your headphones. So that's like 2 in 1. Hat, hoodie, / headphones. Now, I normally do this hoodie. Normally when I work out, I wear a sweater. But I wear a hoodie because I don't want nobody to look at me. Now, I'm not saying that they are looking at me. In my mind, I feel like they're looking at me. When I look over and we make eye contact, you're looking at me. What do you want? So, now, I'm not saying that I'm not saying that people are necessarily looking at me because I'm me. I'm just saying that's just how I feel, and I don't like it. I don't like the gym because of that aspect of it when I feel like people are watching me. I don't like to be in certain type of spaces where I feel like people are looking at me. I don't know if they're judging me. Is they looking at me to see what I'm doing? Okay. Just for a little recap, what we're going to do. We are shy at the gym. So what are we going to do? A, we're going to take a partner. B, we're not going to go during peak hours. We're not going to do that. 3, we're going to wear a hat or a hoodie. So that's basically my top 3 on how I've been being consistent at the gym. Being shy, feeling awkward, feeling anxiety, all of that. That's what I'm doing. Now, if you have any other tips that you would like to share, feel free to drop them in the comment box below and let me know what's good. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you tell a friend. And I'll catch you on the next one.